Welcome back for science. So again, I'm out this afternoon, so science will be asynchronous. You're going to find your science work in Google Classroom. You're going to find Wednesday Science Must Do. And guys, this is so important. You need to make sure that you take the Environment Comparing Interdependency quiz right here, okay? So you're going to click on this Google form right here, and it's going to take you directly to the quiz. You must take this science quiz, all right? I'll say it again. You have to take this science quiz on food chains. You're going to type your first and last name. You're going to go through and carefully read each question and choose the correct answer. All right? When you get down to the bottom, towards the end of the quiz, you're going to have to type your answer. So what does a food chain show? Type and respond. How do food chains rely on the sun? Type your answer to respond, okay? I don't want to see one-word answers, guys. I want you to answer in complete sentences, okay? So again, you're going to read each question and select your answer and complete this quiz and answer the open-ended questions using a complete sentence. Once you're done, you're going to click Submit. You're going to go back to Google Classroom. Then you're going to click on the food chain Padlet. And make sure you read the directions. It says food chain. Type and share one thing you learned about food chains. So you're going to click this little circle down here with the plus sign down at the bottom right of the screen. And you're going to type in a complete sentence one thing you've learned about food chains. Then you're going to share it. All right? Then when you're done taking your quiz and completing the Padlet, you're going to turn in Wednesday's science assignment into Google Classroom, okay? And again, guys, you must take the science quiz. It is not optional, okay? When I come back tomorrow, I should see that everyone fully completed and submitted their science quiz. And remember, if it counts the last two questions wrong, that's okay because I have to go back and read your answer and I'll correct it, all right? So please do not take the test more than once. And again, if it shows that the last two questions are wrong, that's because I have to go back and read your response, and I will fix that. All right? Y'all have an awesome afternoon, and I will see y'all tomorrow.